Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to your channel Learn or Play. On special demand, today we have come up with introduction of letters. Many parents shared their concern that how to introduce letters A, B, C, D. Yes, we received their concern on our mail, on our messenger. So here we have come up with lot many activities, fun-filled activities to introduce letters. So before that, a small request, please like, subscribe and share our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So here is the first activity. As I always said in my previous videos that matching is most important for toddlers. So here first step of introducing letters is matching. Here I am making use of this sheet. This is available in the market. If in case you do not get this sheet, you can prepare a chart and on it you can write letters in uppercase and you can give the same letter cards to the child to match the letters. See how it works. Child will pick up the letter and then child will find the way to fix it up. So here problem solving skill also gets developed among our toddlers. So how matching is important. So when child has fixed, you can introduce the sound of the letter G. Now when child has picked up another letter, child may inquire that which letter is this. You can introduce the sound of the letter at this very moment. Yes, this is Q, and child will find the way to fix it up. So that's how you can introduce sound of the letter, and that's how you can work on inquiry skill and problem solving skill of your toddler. Here I have taken variety of items, like I have taken pulses, macaroni, rice and flour. You can take any one thing in a tray and you can hide the letters in it like this. Hide the letters, or you can take variety. It all depends on you. Children find this activity very interesting when they search for something, which is hidden. So they find it very interesting. So whenever you find that child is bored with the first one, you can switch to next one, and that is sensory play. Here you can prepare a tray of any one item, or you can take multiple items like this, right? And allow the child to find the letter again. When child will search the letter, child will inquire that which letter is this, or probably child will be able to tell you the sound himself or herself. But it's okay if child is not able to tell the sound of the letter. You can introduce sound of the letter again in this next activity. I am not saying that do not introduce sound of the letter in the first step, but if child is not able to pick up the sound of the letter in the first step, then keep on doing sound of the letter in the second activity as well. Here showing you the learning wall which I have created for my little one. and it is doing wonder. See, in first activity, in next activity, we didn't talk about sequence of the letters. But when you are displaying the letters, here you are introducing the sequence of the letters to your little one. Now you are placing the letters in the sequence. So whenever child will come to this place, child will start reading the letters with the sound which you have introduced, and this will give visual memory to the child, right? So learning wall is the place where we display things of which we want to give visual memory to the child, right? It can be done for letters, it can be done for numbers, it can be done for any concept. Now, along with this learning wall where letters are fixed in the sequence, you can give fridge magnets to the child. Here, child will keep on moving the letters or keep on placing the letters as per his or her choice, and this is another fun-filled activity for the children to learn sequencing, sound, and this again develops inquiry and problem solving. So in our today's video we talked about matching. It can be done in both ways, with making use of a activity sheet or by a chart or by sensory play. Then we talked about learning wall and fridge magnets. So